Electrochemical cells. An electrochemical cell is a device that can generate electrical energy from the chemical reaction occurring in it or use the chemical energy supplied to it to facilitate chemical reactions in it. These devices are capable of converting chemical energy into electrical energy or vice versa. A common example of an electrochemical cell is a standard 1.5 volt cell which is used to power many electrical appliances such as TV, remote and clocks. Such a cell capable of generating an electric current from the chemical reactions occurring in them are called voltaic cells. Alternatively, the cell which cause chemical reaction to occurs in them when a electric current is passed through them are called electrolytic cells. That is electrochemical cells. Electrochemical cells are two weaker possible, that is a reference electrode and indicator electrode. That is a first weaker one solution fill zinc sulfate and second copper sulfate. Zinc solution emerge anode, that is a zinc electrode, and as well as possible copper electrode. The two weakers are salt bridge attached, that is a potassium chloride, and two electrode wire, that means voltmeter attached zinc and copper electrodes. Zinc electrodes, that is a oxidation, and copper electrode, that is a reduction. And as well as possible oxidation, that is anode, and reduction, that is cathode. Electrochemical cells generally consist of a cathode and an anode. The key features of the cathode and the anode are tubulated below. That is a cathode and anode. Cathode is first point denoted by a positive sign since electron are consumed here. Anode, that is a first point denoted by a negative sign since electron are liberated here. And second, a reduction reaction occur in the cathode of an electrochemical cell and an oxidation reaction occurs. That is a third point. Electron move into the cathode and electron move out of the anode. And next point, general convention dictates that here cathode must be represented on the right hand side, whereas the anode is represented on the left hand side while denoting an electrochemical cell.